Wait, dah lama tak bawa kita. One more time. Oh, model kelapa, my favorite. Yep, it's 11:50. I woke up actually quite early. I woke up at like 9:40, which is not bad considering I always wake up at like 10. But I woke up early today. My mom just bought some stuff like barang dapur, and she bought like fishes and stuff. I have to like wash it and like clean it up, and my hand now smells legit like ikan, like bau hanyir. Oh, be making like spaghetti bolognese for like iftar. Glutinous rice flour, like onde-onde with it, like a naked onde-onde, because we don't have kelapa. So this morning my mom went to buy some groceries, like bahan basah. So this is what happened. Like the car, we will just open like this and we sanitize inside and then just like jumbo under the sign. I got some stuff from Guardian, and then someone gives us like kue from like Kelantan, I don't know. Another parcel. What we got, Mama? Invoice. My mom got a dental antiseptic germicide. Sensodyne. Ni adik punya moisturizer simple. Then Rexona fresh sakura powder.
Kundal
hand
tu
sanitizer.
Kundal? Tu apa?
This is kundal. There. Oh, body lotion. My lotion. Yeah, Mama. This is why I buy stuff from Guardian, because of this. These are Guardian aloe vera gel. Mama punya wipes.
Yeah.
Oh, it's a kit. Nasi kerabu muda.
Oh, keropok.
Tapi tak tahu lah Mama siapa.
Tu ketimpang kata.
Kerabu kit. Tak tahu siapa bagi Mama. Oh, model kelapa, my favorite. Oh my gosh, this is like the kelapa fit yang you put on top of the nasi kerabu, which is my favorite by the way. Oh, ni yang sumpat dekat dalam tu yang makcik ni.
Solok. Kan.
This is wet.
Itu pecah.
Ma, this apa? Fish sauce. Wait, cool gila this kit. Ada sauce dia, and then this is the kelapa ni, toasted kelapa, keropok ikan. Ni ikan yang isi dalam apa macam ni?
Ikan ni.
Dia punya, beratnya.
Kan berat tadi.
Our cousin's kuih, cake kukus. Original.
Adik suka ini.
No, this is almond walnut. Wow, we got all the flavors.
Wow, look at the almond. Nampak tu? It's actually from my sister-in-law.
Let's go and reverse this car. I go. Kenapa dia tengah saya ni? Aku ke berat? What the heck? Okay dah. Wait, dah lama tak bawa kita. And touch the sky. One more time. Starships were meant to fly. It's all my attention. Only there's dandelion. Cakaman. I'm so hungry. 어떡하지? 나 진짜 배고파요. Ingredients that I'm going to use: onion, garlic, chilies, carrots, bell peppers, some diced tomatoes. This is for my ayam goreng kunyit. Onion, garlic, chili, some carrots. Pasta is boiling. Sikit tu.
Sekarang nak buat apa lagi?
Sekarang nak masak ni sedap.
Boleh je nasi.
Onde-onde. Sedap lah. Kau ada pergi-pergi ke apa kat pasar? Onde, 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 oh nana, cute donde from Andi Bernardi. Onde, 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 oh nana.
I'm leaving the cup beside there.